Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing yet another advent calendar, this time from the Sephora collection. And they were kind enough to send me 3 of their advent calendars, which my cat's playing with like a ribbon in the background in case you hear noise, that's what it is. But Sephora was kind enough to send me 3 of their advent calendars. They have a whole ton. They have just a sheet mask calendar. They have an after advent calendar. They have a premium calendar. So today we're going to be starting with their run-of-the-mill advent calendar. I featured this on my channel for the past several years, and there have been a handful of good items that I've gotten in them. So this is what we're going to be unboxing today. So if you are curious to see what's inside, find out the value, and hear my thoughts, then just keep watching. Meow. So this is the Future is Yours advent calendar, and it says 24 gifts, 1 makeup, skincare, bath, or accessory surprise a day. And that's pretty much what it says. It has a cool like retro pattern on the side. It does show you what you get on the back, but I don't want to spoil anything before getting into it. So it does say that it is a $49 retail price, but you get $93 value. So that's pretty good. It's almost half price. So you're getting like 150% of your money's worth, I guess. So let's see how this opens. Okay, so it does slide out, and it looks like each one has its own little box, and they don't go in order, so they are going to make you hunt for it. So I might have to put this down, but here's the outer carton, and here is the inside. And in case you're curious about the premium or the after advent calendar, which is like after Christmas advent calendar, I will also have dedicated videos of those as well, so stay tuned. All right, so let's see, how should I do this? Should I scoot this way and open it this way? All right, day 1 is right here, and as soon as I pull this out, they're all gonna slide, but maybe. Here is day 1. It has an earth on it. It says it's in the eyes, so it's probably an eye product, and it does have scan and enjoy, so I guess if you wanna see how to use the product inside, it gives you suggestions. Okay, it is a sample size of their Big by Definition mascara, which I have the full size of, so I'm not gonna open this one. Search for it if you want to know my thoughts on this one. Day 2, right above it. This one says, take care of your skin. So perhaps a mask or a lotion. I'm doing my best not to peek before you guys see it. Oh, hydrating cleansing wipes. I love these wipes, not these specifically, but I really enjoy the Sephora makeup wipes, and I use a lot of them. So that is a nice surprise. They're already sliding. Day 3 is this little pink one right here. And I also apologize for the state of my nails. Several have broken recently. So yeah, simple. Just says simple. Sephora, simple. Maybe an eyeshadow. Maybe a bath bomb. Clear nail polish. These are throwaway for me. I never use Sephora nail polish, but there you go. Day 4 says me time, so probably a bath product. Or a sheet mask. Cucumber eye mask. Nice. Day 5 says take care of your skin. This is a Sephora Hyaluronic Acid All Day Hydrator. It's nice for travel. Like I took these little sample sizes with me when I went on vacation this past summer. So it's a good way to try their skincare line. That was day 5. Day 6 says a line that changes your look. Eyeliner, lip liner, graphic liner, lip liner. I feel like they have this red lip liner in every single advent calendar. It's a little wooden pencil. That's the shade. It's like a pink tone red. So it is like your classic Christmas red, if you will. Day 7 has a little flower on it, and it says a little sweetness. I wonder what that is. Candy? Cotton flower, bubble bath, and shower gel. Like a little one-time use pod. Okay, we've gotten those in previous years. I don't think I've ever even used mine. Okay, number 8 says Future, and it says tap for unified complexion. A beauty sponge? Aha, that's the only thing that made sense with tap. You don't really tap anything else except for like a makeup sponge. So that's nice. And it has a pointed tip, which is great for the under eye area. Day 9, focus on good. Maybe more eye products. Okay, we had this one last year too. This is the Prebiotic Clean Skin Gel Cleanses and Tones. It's fine. I feel like there's a lot of repeat products. I feel like Sephora's come out with a lot of new products that hopefully some of which will be in one of these advent calendars. So far, I'm seeing a lot of repetition from last year. Day 10 has a flower and says me time. What was it last time? A shower product? No, it was nail polish, wasn't it? This one's in like a little, oh, it's one of those, I forget what they're called, gua sha. I forget what they're called, but this one's like an iridescent mermaid skin kind of color. So this is new. I don't think I've had this before. 11 for a purified skin. Charcoal nose strips. I have used these before, so I will use these. Day 12, and this one seems heavy, and this says simple yet elegant. Kind of like a classic ballerina baby pink nail polish. I'll probably end up giving these to my nieces because they love nail polish. Day 13 says feels like summer. I would love it if this was a bronzer or a blush or an SPF. It's another shower gel pod. Okay, this one is Manoi scent. Hopefully 14's next because I lost track. 14, good vibes only, at home facial spa. I would say a roller or something, but this seems a little too small for that. That looks like matcha tea face mask. 15, we're getting into some longer boxes, and this one says red lips every day, but we already have a liner, so I'm wondering if this is like a liquid lipstick or like a lip crayon. Yep, this was in last year's as well. The classic red liquid lipstick from the Sephora collection. Obviously, these are all from the Sephora collection. I just want to see some variety. 16 says always on hand, so maybe polish, nail file, cuticle oil, a mirror. What does that have to do with being on hand? I guess just like always handy. I do use these though. I still have last year's right here. I have the previous 3 years mirrors here, so I do use them. They are handy. And this one has like the retro orange and pink and flower design. So I will use it even though it is a repeat. We're on 17 here. Here's 17, and it says lips are made for kissing. We already have a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. Ooh, I think I was right. Cherry. I've been eyeing this one. This is the cherry lip mask. I'm tempted to put that one on now, but my lips feel really nice and soft right now, so I'll save it for winter when my skin really needs the hydration. 18. Your BFF needs no introduction. Is this a friendship bracelet? One of the years it was a friendship bracelet, and I'm like, no. Okay. Retro themed, kind of like silky scrunchy. It's useful. Kind of actually matches my shirt today. 19 feels kind of heavy, like a liquid liner or something. This one says nails before anything else. Another polish. I feel like these are the same shades we get every single year. Red, pink, and clear. Sephora, you need a little bit of variety. Otherwise, no one's gonna keep purchasing these year after year. Just saying. All right, 20 says yes. And it says strong to the tips of my nails. Oh, okay, a pack of 2 nail files, which are handy. I like having these in my bags, and I'm always switching out bags, so it's nice to have multiple for multiple bags. 21 says it's coffee o'clock. I really don't know what this would be. Coffee scrub, coffee lip balm, coffee, I don't know. Coffee, caffeine eye mask. All right. My sister was just asking me about eye masks. She's like, which ones actually work? And I have to say the Winky Lux hydrogels for the under eye gels seem to work the best for me, but I'll have to try some more from Sephora because I don't think I've tried these. 22 says glow time for eyes. So my guess is like an under eye cream sample. Yep, exactly what we got last year, the brightening eye cream. Can you sense my tone yet? 23, second to last, says shine baby shine. Like, I want to see some blushes, I want to see some bronzers, I want to see some lipsticks. I feel like we're not getting much. Oh my. You guys can't see, they're like little rhinestone crystals, I guess, for your face or your nails. Did we get these last year? No. I'm 40. Not likely to use these unless it's Halloween or like 4th of July or New Year's Eve. But Sephora doesn't just cater to the super young. I feel like lots of ages use makeup, so why not? And finally, the last one, day 24, says killer eye look. Hopefully they save the best for last. What do you guys think? Okay, we have one of the Sephora 12-hour contour eye pencils, and it's in the shade Black Lace, and it says it's a matte finish. All right. Ooh, okay, that's a good one. I mean, I have so many liners, but a waterproof black liner is a good option to have. And once you get through all of the boxes, it says all you need is a lot of gifts. So I put them in a little container here. This is what's in the regular Advent box, not the premium, not the after, not the sheet mask box, just the regular one. We have 5 like sheet mask nose strip situations, 1 lip liner, 1 eyeliner, 3 little nail polishes, 3 skincare samples, 2 body wash pods, 1 packet of wipes, which I'm very excited about, a mini mascara, a mini liquid lipstick, an on-the-go mirror and some nail files, hair scrunchie, rhinestone crystals, makeup sponge, and a little facial tool. So there you have it. Those are the sneak peeks into what's inside this Advent calendar from Sephora. Would I say it's worth the almost $50? This time I'm gonna say no, because after they recently had their 30% off their entire collection, I feel like if all I wanted from this collection were like these products, the lip mask, the mascara, the mirror, and the makeup wipes, I could get all of these for probably under like $15. So I don't find the need to spend the $50. Now, if you got the Advent during the 30% off, yeah, that makes it a lot better. $35 for all of this stuff makes sense, but almost $50, I don't know. So like if you want to dip your toe into Sephora collection and try some things, this is great. But if you're wanting to try their makeup, this is not very heavy in the makeup department. You get 4 or 5 makeup-y products. The rest are like skincare and odds and ends. So those are my thoughts. There's the preview. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.